top now, I know they know it. Run these runs, I feel like a poet. Pull up like I'm baby, riding this song fast, and you know that it's wrong. I get my hustle like this, I need every penny. I came from the bottom, I know it, they know it. I know they know it, I know they know it. I know they know it, I know it, they know it. Done, where you been for a minute? Yeah, my hustle, I feel like I'm Nipsey. Sippin' like London, just people my bitch pull up in the coupe, windows out 10. No money bag, but we gon' film. Smoke on the pound, it's out of extra. Police pull up, you know ain't saying enough. Fire my old bitch and give me a better one. Ain't playing with these bitches, ain't sparing these niggas. When he talk, I just call it that pillar. Yeah, cause who the fuck that they gon' take some from me? And who the fuck face can't get placed on the T? He talk with that talk, but not walk with that walk. Hopped in some water, might want in the tub. Right now, I'm high as a blunt. Get to that money, stack it up to the ceiling. Stack the mixture, they on some other shit. And I don't trust the bitch, I ain't cuffin' shit. I'm a dumb, but when I touch the mic.
So what's up, guys? So, what I'm gonna be doing today is adding these aftermarket USB ports and the Marine 12 volts port to the 95 Impala Super Sport. I have inline fuse on the positive on both of them. I have these 10 amperage fuse inside of here. Just so if something go wrong, it blow the fuses. I'm gonna connect it to the fuse panel that's on the side of the headlights. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna run it to. So what I'm gonna do, use the 20 amp fuse for the cigarette port. I'm gonna run it through there like this, plug it in, hide the wire up under the dash, run this wire to the middle console at the bottom, and just have this sitting right here like so. So the positive is gonna run with the fuse, but the negative is gonna run to a bolt, one of the bolts down there, to where I get establish a ground. So I'm gonna cut short to put the ground to connect to here, and also I'm gonna cut the power on this one to attach to this, so that it'll be connected to the fuse. That way I get power. All right, guys, so this is what you're gonna do. I got my, you see how all this is shining? It's because I grind that so I can have a better ground on that boat right there. Sorry. So right there, I have a better ground on that boat for the ground, which is the black wire. And then the red, the positive is here, and it's ran under the dash to this fuse. I moved the cigarette port, 20 amp fuse for the cigarette right here. So the third row, 1, 2, 3, chassis body, and then this gonna be VS. This one didn't have a fuse in it, so I checked my 96, the same thing, don't have a fuse for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I put it there so that it can work on and off with the key switch. So turn the key forward, it's working. Turn the key off, it's off. So that's how I'm gonna do it. That's how I'm gonna do it. And I got the gold keys, y'all, for the 95. So now what I'm gonna do is wire all this stuff up a little bit more neatly, and the ground to the ground and the positive to the positive, and mount it right here. So that's what I'll be doing. But y'all see the points that I mounted to right there, the gas pedal. Make sure you grind that down. Let's sand it down with sandpaper. Flathead screwdriver will help too. Until this fuse right here, as you can see, it's plugged in. And close this back. I'm working with one hand, so bear with me. There we go. And I'm gonna hide the wires from the back of here. So let me get this done, y'all. So here we go. It's off. There you go.